Kublai pi baro kinigilongi kubor bam takasngi. Ka District Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defense Council Naphi Laso kalau ong bante lakam ya ka shongkha khna Meghalaya kadishi benda jong ka jingya ki pajba jong ka ri baro ka we. Kabla batai bahapo ka chis pa asngi jong ka district wise action plan for prevention of child marriages lingba kanalsa asha scheme arhajar arpsan bad kabal viva mukh bharat campaign ka District Legal Services Authority DLSA East Khas Hills kalapelong ya ka legal awareness program ka mock rescue demo ha khandai lat shlong ngi pelong ya ka program chispa asngi ban pinsngo pajba e jingdon kam ban khanglat ya ka shongkha kalaong ka kong laso kala banjur ba ka DLSA ka I free legal aid jingelam nanti bat jingerap rehabilitation ya ki khna la not bat kilong ying jongki Habakali halor ki case kala ong ba ompat don satya kanu ka case child marriage register ha is khas hills nri ki khna hapo khat prasnem kidang la ban ngan ha ki jingya dei kabala banwan ra jing e kala ka dawru baki an kum ka pokso act ki long ki bating e bala don minor pregnancy report ka an country ka mardor wala omdan jingya tho khna kabla report ringimla banne menthi baki khna rit ki don ha ki jingya dei ki an ki longi bating e bar ki wei pat ki kenon an ki la ban trai kam hakum gini ki jingjia kala maham kala kedawru bagi an ki bating e kum ka pokso an ki trai kam pura haba jingya dei bar ki minor lada ka jingyo khna red bapun pregnancy la report ha kanu kanu ka medical center ka an gan shim mila ka jonggalenti kini ki kam ki bakhya bha kala banram ka DLSE kala kentu ki paj ba banong husiar bat ban pentip ya kinu ki jingjia ban ai jingya da ya ki khna
One thing we will see that in our community especially, uh, there are, you can say, we'll not say that marriages do happen, because if we look at the statistics, there's no such case under Child Marriage Act. Okay, so that's why in our society we see that there are so many, like, live-in relationships are going on between those minors are there, okay, who are below the age of 18 or below the marriageable age. So what I have to say in this, even though they are not, they will not be punished under such law that we have, that is under the Child Marriage Act, but there are other very, very strict laws are other there, like POCSO Act, like various laws are there to punish them. So see, nowadays we can see that. I will not say that there's a rise of child marriages or child cohabitation, but there are less cases because of strict laws are there. So see, I'll not believe, I do not believe in what you just, the question started, that, like, we are there to focusing increasing population of our community. But you have to keep in mind that certain laws are there. The law has been laid down for a prescribed marriage age. And also those who are, like, if you don't comply with that, as I told you earlier also, strict laws are there, like, because if we look at, like, this POCSO Act, this also a little bit, it speaks about, like, if a child is, like, you see that she's pregnant, or like if they go to any medical health center, obviously the first step that the medical health officer over there, what will do, if the child is underage, he will report the teenage pregnancy. So in that way the law will take its own course. Okay, but as per my knowledge, and as per our statistic, what we can say is that till today, there is no case registered under child marriage here in Meghalaya. So I haven't come across regarding that.